welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to look at this 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. It has 42,000 miles on it. It's a great truck. It's got the trailer tow package, giving you plenty of options with the trailer braking. It does have side steps, which is always nice to get in and out of the truck. Always makes it a little easier. Out back, we do have a soft roll-up tonneau cover, which is always nice. Keeps things inside your bed dry. And just so things don't slide around, there is a mat in the back that helps give a little traction. Now this is a crew cab, so there's plenty of room out back, and the nice thing is there's enough room for people, or if you want, you can fold up the seats just like so. That way you have a little extra if you want to put some boxes or anything else in there. Plenty of room out back to store things as well as charge anything you might need. Up front, we have heated seats as well as adjustable foot pedals and a full panoramic sunroof, which is always nice, as well as navigation. And the trailer tow, again, it does have the trailer braking, which is always nice when you're towing something heavy. I want to thank you for your time watching this video. If you are interested in this truck or anything else that we have on our lot, just feel free to come in the showroom or ask for me. My name is Jordan Rothrock. I hope you all have a wonderful day.